Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing shower routine, so shower with me, you guys. This is how I do my nighttime shower routine sometimes. First of all, I put on candle, scented candle, because I love the house smelling nice. Grab my toothbrush. I love packaging my toothbrush inside this container because it prevents dust from getting in. And I use Colgate Total Clean Mint toothpaste. This toothpaste is really nice. Like, if I brush in the morning, sometimes I don't remember brushing at night because your mouth will still feel clean and it is minty. Seriously, trust me, I've used other toothpaste and this one, I love it. So once I'm done brushing my teeth, I go ahead with my Vaseline Blue Seal. I rub it on my lips, around my lips. Ask me why I do this. I do this to help soften my lips when I am in the shower. So yeah. So I cover my hair with shower cap before I bathe, to prevent water from getting in because I use clove water on it. And then I use this bar soap, Nutri Herbs Lighting Soap. It has Sim White 377, it has glutathione, it has arbutin, and it has turmeric. It is really nice. It deeply cleanses and removes impurities. It leaves a glow, healthy skin. So I use a gentle sponge and I rub it all over my body. I'm just feeling myself in the bathroom, having fun, taking my bath. So once I'm done, I go ahead with my glove to do my second cleansing, and I use Dr. Teal's foaming bath with pure Epsom salt, glow and radiance with vitamin C and citrus essential oils. So this is very good. I love it so well because it smells really nice. Like, my skin has really felt better since I started using it. Is my current fave. Like, I love vitamin C and this one promotes glowing, youthful skin. So I scrub the entire body. Like, it foams really well too. So I don't really take much when I'm using it and it still foams very well. So I also scrub my knuckles because I am battling with this dark knuckle, but it is clearing now because I pay so much attention to it right now. And I shave my armpit, and yeah, you guys, this is how I shave my armpit. I use aloe vera gel as a base to shave my armpit. It is cooling, it is soothing, and it is nourishing. So I also use this shaving stick Fusion. This is very good. It's from Gillette. I bought this very expensive, but yeah, it is worth the buy. God, it is so good and it's very gentle on your skin. It doesn't cause bump. So after shaving, I use my 3 Hot Vitamin C Shea Sugar Scrub. I love this scrub so well. It smells really nice. You can see the consistency. The smell is so good and it is really soft. It's not harsh on skin. You can scrub as much as you like. So I focus on the darker parts of my body, which is the armpits, the dark knuckle, the elbow, my knees, those places that are darker. I focus more on them. So I scrub my entire body from hair to toe. So yeah. I'm using this Active Plus Sugar Scrub Strawberry Water Activated Dissolving Body Exfoliate. You can see that it is too strong, so I can't obviously use it on my body. I feel like it's going to injure me, so I just use it on my foot alone. So once I'm done scrubbing my body, I go ahead to rinse with water and then focus on my face right now. And my first cleanser is a CeraVe hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin. So I have dry skin this period, Harmattan period. So I love using this particular CeraVe because it leaves your face, your skin moisturized once you're done using it. Even when you don't apply moisturizer, your face feels moisturized. It doesn't feel dry. So it doesn't really dry me out. So that's why I love it. So I use it first before going over to the second cleanser. So I make sure that I rub it in well. I rub everywhere, including my ears and my neck. I wash off with clean water and go over my face again with the second cleanser, which is NutriHerbs Lighten Skin Facial Cleanser. This cleanser is really good. It has Sim White 377. It has niacinamide. It has yeast extract. It has Portulaca oleracea. So I'm reading from there. Okay, so it cleanses and purifies skin, smooths and lightens skin. But I must confess, it smoothens the skin. Whenever you are done, you feel the smoothness in your skin. So I use this their face scrub from NutriHerbs to scrub my face whenever I'm done using my hand to massage. But I make sure I do that for like at least 30 seconds. So this feels more like a facial massage for me. I also rub over my lips to scrape up excess dead body that is out. So once I'm done, I rinse my face and my neck and my ears with clean water and then wipe my face dry with my face towel. I take time to clean my ears too. Then cleaning my body, you can see my armpit is brighter. So I take off the shower cap and go over my body with this good cream, body cream, Clean Botanica. Moisturizes plus renews. It has vitamin C. It has mango. It is brightening body lotion. It is really good. So I go over my body with it and also complement it with this So Carrot So Whites carrot body oil. This makes my body glow really well. But one thing I don't really like about this is that when the weather is too dry, it dries up on my skin and my skin starts, burning a little. Like I start feeling this, I don't know how to explain it, but it is not the cream's fault because I have a very dry skin. Then for my face, I use this toner, Urban Skin Brightening and pH Balancing Witch Hazel Toner. So I grab my cotton pad, I put it on there. I put enough quantity because my face actually feels dry when I use this NutriHerbs and I use it for, a stretch. So in order for me to get my face moisturized back, I need to put a lot of that toner. So this toner has this niacinamide, it has turmeric, it has licorice. So it improves skin tone, it deep cleanses pores and balances pH. You can see the dirt that came out from my face after all the washing. So this is this face mask I use once in a while. I don't really use it every night. It is a natural recovery mask pack. Vitamin C. It has even snail. It has other ones, but I prefer vitamin C. So I open it up and put it on my face, and then I'm not looking like a masquerade. So I try to press it in to make sure that everywhere is touched. The remaining ones in my hand, I rub it all over my neck. My neck is part of my face. Yeah. So let me wait for 20 minutes. So while waiting, I decided to pamper my foot. So I take as much Vaseline, Blue Seal that I can take and rub on my feet. So after that, I'm going to be putting on my socks to help warm it up so that by morning, my foot will feel softer. So yeah, and I wear this around the room, not the house, around the room, just at night when I want to sleep. So I was thinking, okay, let me change to my sleeping robe since I'm still waiting for 20 minutes. So sometimes I sleep with this pink robe, but when the weather is very cold, but on a normal, I don't really sleep with it. So I change to my sleeping robe, and then the time has passed. I decided to remove this and then look at how my face is glowing. One touch. God, it is so moisturizing. Like, what? So I decided to brush my brow. I do that whenever I remember. I'm still kind of waiting for my face to dry up, so I'm using this Carmex Daily Care SPF Sunscreen Strawberry Moisturizing Lip Balm. I use it over my lips So while I'm waiting for my face to dry up a little bit, I decided to like pamper my eyebrow and my lips, so you can see, trying to get it to dry up. So I said, okay, let me pamper my body, the scent of my body. So I love Right Guard for men. I love it so well because I sweat so well in my armpits, so this thing keeps me dry. So for nights, mainly at night, I use Lady Storm Powerful Body Mist. The scent doesn't really last that long and is mild, so I prefer using it at night. I hardly wear it during the day because it doesn't really smell that well, that much. And I also use this Aventus Creed. I bought this in very cheap where I went to a salon. I just saw it, I picked it up. So I just rub it all over my hands. I want to turn and then my hand is smelling good. So I also use this Brute deodorant Oud. I just spray it around my neck and yeah. And then I'm tapping impatiently, waiting for my face to dry. And then I cited my vitamin C and I'm like, okay, let me take my vitamin C supplement. I do take this whenever I remember. But at least in a week, I'm sure I'm taking it like 2 to 3 times. So I'm going to grab water so that while waiting for my face to, dry up, okay, let's prepare vitamin C. I always keep it on this counter so that I won't forget to take it. So I'm still tapping impatiently, waiting for the vitamin C to be ready. Yeah, the vitamin C is ready. The effervescence has calmed down and I am not really sipping, gulping the vitamin C. Felt so good, but slapped me a bit. I always get like that whenever I drink it. So my face is dry now. Yeah, so let's finish up this. So I love this topic cream, Mela cream corrective. It is a corrective night cream. It is one thing I love about it is that it is really moisturizing. So what they wrote here is overnight brown spot corrector, unifies the complexion, moisturizes 24 hours. They are very correct when they say moisturizes 24 hours. It's really, really moisturizing, really. I didn't even apply much because of the face mask that I just took out. My face was really moisturized. So because I have this discoloration on my face, I use it sometimes at night to help unify my skin color, and it has been really doing a great job and we are getting there. So I also apply it around my neck and my ear area. So like my face feels glowy, it feels moisturized, it feels brighter, and I am so happy whenever I'm done with whether morning or night routine. Skincare is good, and I'm not about to forget my bonnet. I'm definitely covering my hair before sleeping, and then putting off the candles and putting off all the lights, and then good night.